Welcome to South Aussie Shooting Channel. Today's review will be about the EagleTac GX25L2 with the new Cree XML2U2 emitter. I bought this light. It was $155 from brightnight.com.au. It was really helpful in choosing this light for me, and I'm going to be using it mainly just around my area, and also I have a farm as well that I normally go to and normally stay till night time, so I need that to find where I'm going in the dark on the farm. And the GXL25L2 is a 1060 LED lumen light. Has 870 ANS1FL1 lumens. It runs for 2 hours to 180 plus minutes, I think. It has two in-series 18650 batteries and has 4 levels of brightness plus 7 auxiliaries with your flash strobes and beacons and all that. So I'm going to open the box up. It's a rechargeable light. And it comes in this bag. The torch is in the bag. Also, I'll show you that is the charger. The charger can't fit in the box, so it was shipped separately with it. As you can see, the little pin in there, and this one is the 10 to 240 volt Australian charger. What you get is the manual. As you can see, the 3 lights there, each one is bigger and brighter than the next. There's a warranty card or registration card that you fill in and register online. You get a lanyard with it, and also you get some O-rings, rubber ones, if you need any spare. Get to the light now. See, there's the light. When I first got it, it looked really small, but it looked really big on the on YouTube and the internet and stuff. It's actually pretty small, and actually got big hands, and that basically is how I hold the torch. It basically fits. It's big enough to fit your whole palm and hand on there. I think this is really well made. It has the stainless steel bezel that twists off. You can attach other filters, these red, green, yellow ones, onto it. It has the charging port, which you just twist off. As you can see, there's the charge port. Get the charger end and plug that in, as so. Has a little light here that goes blue when it's charging, and when it goes to a dim blue, that means it's full, and when it goes off, that means the charger has stopped working. But this model, I just charged it before this review, and basically it did shut off in 3 hours, but it finished charging maybe 15 minutes before that. So that's really good. It's fast. Recharges before the cutoff time. and has the attachment for a lanyard. Twist it back on. I reckon you might lose these if you haven't got it on when you're charging it, or you might drop it somewhere because it is pretty little. Taking the batteries off, just twist this anti-clockwise. You can see it's got the little spring, and the battery just falls out. So 31 milliamp hour, 7.4 volts, with two 18650s Lion recharges, to 22.9 watt hour capacity. It is a protected battery. As you can see, that's two batteries shrink wrapped together. This is my first ever light with a 18650 battery, as you can see down there, and it goes with the positive button facing forward and the flat base on the bottom. And when changing modes, you just twist it. Goes in and out, as you can see up the front here. Tighten is basically all the way on, and just a smidge like that drops 1, 3, 4, and then basically it will turn off if you keep unscrewing it. I'll turn it on. You're pushing this button here, it doesn't have a back one there, so pushing it on. This is in the daylight, so you can see that's on high. If I can get it in a good spot, that's high, that's medium, lower, and unscrew it to the lowest, as you can see here. And if you keep twisting it, it will turn off, and then all you do is twist it back to full and turn it back on. So that's bright, as you can see. It's boxed here, and that's daylight, and it's washing out the whole EagleTac sign. So very bright. You can do jobs in the day if you need a torch in a bit darker area, or you just can't see somewhere. Alright, so when we do the twist, that is down to the second notch. Twist it, third, a bit more. It's the lowest brighting, so it's your four choices, and pushing down on the button will make it go into the turbo mode, and releasing it goes back to the fourth mode, which is the lowest. By double tapping the button and holding it, becomes a strobe, and back to normal when you lift your finger off. As you can see, there's blue light on, saying that the torch is pretty much full battery, as I've just charged it before, and will change colour when it goes down. The next mode is get it back up to high, turn the torch off, turn it on and move it from 1 to 3 or 2 back faster to get the strobe. And you do it again, you get the second strobe. Do it again, you get a flash, I think it's a high flash, and then we'll get an SOS. But I'm not sure if that's SOS or not. Oh, it's the SOS 1 and 2. That's another S. Do it again. It just goes slower. There's a faster one and a slower one. And then we'll do it again. Becomes a beacon and shuts off and goes on once in a while. There it is. Goes on and off. And then we do it again. It's on low, so it's a really low flash. Goes on and off, on and off. And then do it again, it's back on high. And there are all the modes there. I think this is a very high quality light. It's got a bit of weight to it. It does get a little bit hot when it's on high for a while, but it's okay. So I'm very happy with this light. It's first ever torch light that has chargeable batteries, or basically more than $100, almost to the 200. So this one is really good, but if you want a longer battery and a bit bigger head, then I would go with the 2650, the SX version, which is another $10 more.